BIM integration with project management. Introduction. MaRS Group is an Ahmedabad, India-based company offering BIM services to state-of-the-art management consulting services for designing and engineering projects like 3D modeling, 4D simulation, BIM implementation, BIM modeling services, building design, point cloud, etc. We have been working with government organizations, leading developers and corporate organizations in India for the last 15 years. Ever since we established our firm in the year 2001, we have extended our expertise to numerous areas, and this has in turn enabled us to collaborate with numerous clients. While we operate mostly from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, we have projects in various parts of the world such as USA, UK and the Middle Eastern countries. In 2012, we established MaRS BIM, an individual department that caters to the growing building information modeling industry. We have been strategizing and developing the implementation of versatile BIM services in India to our global clients for the last 3 years. About MaRS and capacity of company. MaRS Group, service provider of design, engineering and project management services since 15 years. We have experience of design and implementing large numbers of infrastructure projects, viz. mass housing schemes and other building works, supply scheme, wastewater disposal, treatments and sewage treatment plant, roads and bridges, landmark commercial and industrial projects, solid waste management, etc. We have more than 300 professionals nationally in over 10 offices in 9 states of India. We have handled approximate 5,000 crores of various infrastructure projects on hand. Our turnover for financial year 2014 to 15 Rs 15.82 crores. MaRS Group have registered and have empanelment with all these associations. BIM, Building Information Modeling. MaRS offers BIM services since last 3 years. BIM is an intelligent model-based process that relies on information generated by a BIM design tool for analysis, fabrication, detailing, cost estimation, scheduling or other use. BIM can bridge the information loss associated with handling a project from design team to construction team and to building owner/operator by allowing each group to add to and reference back to all information they acquire during their period of contribution to the BIM model. This can yield benefits to the facility owner or operator. During the modeling process, we can verify various design aspects by analysis of the virtual construction model prepared by MaRS. This saves a lot of time and effort as this is completed before the construction begins and the designer can rectify the drawings accordingly rather than having to rectify the design on site while the construction is in process, which will not only delay the construction but also cost the client more in terms of manpower. In conventional methods, most of the time is taken up due to construction delays and design rectification, which is resolved while using BIM before the construction even begins. Therefore, the construction period reduces as compared to conventional methods, which results in decrease in construction cost. MaRS BIM and other services. MaRS Group has been working in sectors like buildings and industries, water and wastewater, roads and transport, urban and regional planning, material testing and investigation. We provide services like survey and soil investigation, architectural and structural design, tendering and third-party inspection, construction supervision consultancy, project management consultancy, material inspection. In year 2012, we came up with the idea of BIM building information modeling and developed separate department for BIM services. In BIM we do offer services like 3D modeling support, coordinated construction support, facility management, BIM implementation and 4D simulation services. Conventional PMC process project management is a continuous process which needs to be efficiently carried out to achieve optimum use of cost, time and resources. There are 6 verticals of project management which start with project scheduling, procurement, cost control, document management, field management and data collection. Depending on speculated life cycle of the project budget and availability of the resources, master schedule of the project is prepared. It is important to specify milestones in project execution along with the tasks involved. All tasks have flow of work and interdependencies with specific quantum of time and resources noted in master schedule. Such master schedules needs to be updated daily to manage project activities. It gives early alarms for delays, procurement, etc. Timely procurements need to be carried out knowing it's time to delivery. Master schedule is rechecked for its correctness. Quality assurance and quality control are 2 major supports of project to fix up time to time throughout the project duration. It ensures safety and quality of a project. Along with QA and QC, it is essential to maintain field records like cement register, steel register, labor record book, etc. Maintained data with result and reports need to be shared with client to make client aware of the project management affairs. BIM-based PMC process virtual design construction. In this process, first we receive the all 90% design data from the consultant or client. Then after, we start the basic modeling in reference of received data. This process is similar to virtual construction. So, on same time, we find the design error and conflicts. With help of consultant team, we will sort it out. After this process our construction data will become more specific and accurate. Based on this data, we start the virtual construction process. BIM-based project scheduling. For this task, our initial process is same as traditional project planning stage. We revise our model as per the project plan. Model can be able to assign the phases of the construction, which can be helpful to us in 4D modeling. After the completion of this process, planner is able to prepare a 4D model, which will be ready for the on-site weekly update. And this 4D model can able compare actual versus planning progress. Document management and verification. For the better document management, we update the all data in one format. So, all data will be available in single model, and this data is placed on cloud-based server. This facility can be managed in easy accessibility, security and improve the review cycle. So, all appointed agency can review their requirements. Verification process will improve, and execution team will get final and accurate data. With BIM support. With the help of BIM, we can manage procurement in various stages. BIM model can be able to extract precise quantity construction stage-wise, and this data collaborate with traditional procurement process. And execution team will get on-time material takeoff. Virtual mock UPS. Was this BIM model, we can be able to build virtual mock UPS for require area with multiple option. With multiple option client can able to get better options aesthetic and technically. And we can take instant decision for bulk working or any further major task. Field management and 3D coordination. With the use of the BIM, site team get instant 3D visualization for any corner of the building. With help of better visualization, team can able to define and resolve the conflict area of building. Also they can find the revised quantities and remaining changes in further process. On this way design and PMC team will get final and accurate as-built drawing from the model. As-built model creation and handover process. This task is very important for the building life cycle. Team collect the all as-built data from the all different agency and they convert it in one single model. This model will help in operation and maintenance process. So, this model will hand over to client or facility management agency. Planned versus actual progress. The video shows how 4D simulation can relate to actual progress and planned progress of construction, and we can manage to see the progress delays and differences. The basic checklist method is also shown here. This way we can differentiate the conventional PMC methodology and BIM methodology. Specific requirement for BIM-based PMC: we require 90% design data. 90% project requirement time. Budgetary data is also required for BIM-based PMC. The requirement of site-based BIM support and cloud-based data management is also mandatory. The chart shown over here is the process for BIM-based PMC. How the data is managed, shared and model is prepared that is shown over here. The data from consultant/design engineer is given to project manager. This conventional data is scanned on the BIM platform and 2D CAD drawings are modeled on written software and 3D model is prepared. During the process of modeling, RFI right for information is released by the production team and further released to client for the answers. The same way answers are given by client for change in design or route or any other problem. After receiving answers, teams start working further on 3D model and clash detection and coordination is done as the process of BIM. Good for construction drawings, technical specifications and quantity takeoffs are done and released from the 3D model. This data is shared to contractor on site working. In-house BIM support process is done and simultaneously on-site BIM supervision is done. Our teams on-site compare the plan and actual site progress as well the construction as per BIM 3D model, and clashes and material quantities are also managed by supervision staff. Progress charts, time schedule are managed. Once the model is approved and 3 drawings are released to concerned subcontractor further for on-site construction. Using these tools, construction planners can simulate planned sequences of construction activities, identify clashes and interference problems, and find opportunities for improving construction schedules and track materials. Benefits: the basic benefits for BIM are as collaborative work environment with a single and common place to collect, store, share and manage model, faster project delivery, reduce cost due to consistent data capture and reporting, reduce risk with tools to identify and resolve issues, increase transparency and visibility across stakeholders, easy client handover at the end of project. Virtual design and construction phase benefits are: raise the accuracy in design, minimize design revisions, minimize the design-based delay in design approval, improve the approval cycle. BIM-based project scheduling benefits are: 3-dimension visualization in project scheduling. In single time one can manage multiple sites from single location. easy and fast actual and planning comparison, resolve conflict between tasks, avoid delay, document management and verification, and benefits are improve the review and approval in cycle, easy data sharing, minimize paperwork, quick data availability, secure database, good backup option. E-procurement with BIM support benefits are cost saving in material takeoff, construction phase quantity takeoff, improved transparency in procurement, minimize rework. Virtual benefits are minimize time in mock-up preparation, minimize cost for mocked UPS, multiple option availability, instant solution for technical and aesthetical related queries. Field management with 3D coordination benefits are minimize rework on site, time saving in drawing review cycle, avoid delay for coordination matter, improve building life cycle maintenance point of view. As-built model creation and handover benefits are raise accuracy at the as-built data, 3D visualization for maintenance, improve building life cycle, easy maintenance. Case study. The video is simulation video of one of the projects in Mexico. This is a residential apartment in Mexico which we have worked on BIM platform, and the video is 4D simulation of the project. This 4D simulation shows the construction sequence as per the project planning. This is a 360 view of the project showing the architectural service as well other services south view. The simulation illustrates the conventional drawings are modeled in Revit software and BIM-based detailed drawings are outcome of it. Conventional drawings are the input drawings which we receive it from the client/consultant. The BIM-based drawings are the outcome of the data which are detailed described good for construction drawings. This virtual construction model allows an built quantity takeoff feature which allows us to effortlessly generate quantity takeoffs without the hassles of on-site quantity surveying. BIM experience. Our list of projects are listed below in table. We have provided several services as LOD 300 modeling support and shop drawing support as well. The project shown here is commercial and residential building in Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. The project scope of work and images are shown here with. Benefits of using our service: increased building performance and quality, improved collaboration using integrated project delivery, generation of accurate and consistent 2D drawings at any stage of the design, better management and operation of facility, integration with facility operation and management system, clash detection and coordination. The project shown here is industrial, office and laboratory building located in Bengaluru. Shell India Markets is one of the biggest industrial project which is done by us.